Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Ragini, fertility consultant from Secunderabad branch 49. Now, I would like to talk about a very simple topic. What are the tests to be done to get pregnant? Okay. What are the tests depends upon how long is your marital life. Like, are you just newly married, or it's been 2 3 years that you have been married, or it is more than 3 years that you have been married. So early new married couple about less than 1 year. First thing what you have to know is whether your cycles are regular or not. That is very important. Okay, for females it is cycles, and for males are they able to have the intercourse normally. So for females, if the cycles are regular, means it's a good indication that their egg is probably getting released at the right time. If the cycles are irregular, you have to consult your gynecologist for further management. So if your cycles are regular and still it's been 6 months or 7 months, you have been trying properly but still not getting pregnant, then you can do a basic few home tests that can be done. Like first in a sec, you should normally know your cycle period and 14 days from the last, like if you get your period on 31st of every month, then 14 days prior will be around 14th or 15th day of your cycle. So in that period, if you have a intercourse alternate days for another 4 to 5 days, then the chances of pregnancy is higher. Now, some tests like LH kit is available in the market. Like you can do an LH testing from around day 8 or day 9 of your cycle daily. So, once your LH kit turns positive, means the egg is going to get released in the next 22 to 36 hours. Okay, so you can time your intercourse during that period. That is a simple LH kit test. And second one is there is to confirm that your cycles are regular and you're having an ovulating cycle is this is the one of the best test. And still you have been trying LH kits for 2 to 3 months and it's turning positive but still not getting pregnant, then comes to do a very small test, that is day 21 progesterone. Day 21 progesterone test means on period you have to count from day 2, today is the first day, means today is day 1, like that you keep on counting. On day 21 do a serum progesterone test. If serum progesterone test shows a high values, then means yeah, your egg has been released, you have been trying, and the chances of conception is good. But date LH test being positive and day 21 progesterone is low, means that your egg is being released because of LH being positive, but then it is not enough progesterone to support your pregnancy. Then you might need little progesterone supplements during that period. Okay, that is one. Second one is baseline after 1 year, post 1 year also still we have been trying not getting conceived. Your cycles are regular, your LH is positive, and your semen, husband semen is normal, still not getting conceived, then you have to consult the physician to just do a basic baseline test to see how is the ovarian reserve, how is the cavity, I mean, how is the any abnormalities in the cavity, like any septum is there in the cavity, and also do a small simple test called as tubal patency test. Okay, tubal patency tubes are very important because that is a site where the egg and the sperms meet. So normal tubal patency is always very essential when there is a really delay in the conception. Okay, and next that is day 2 we do a baseline scan, and then once the bleeding is stopped prior before day 11 to day 10, we will do a tubal patency test. Again, if all these are normal, we will advise them to have they can try naturally for another 6 months. Okay, and also semen analysis for the husband with 3 to 5 days of abstinence. So all are normal, then still we have a very good chance for for their natural conception if the marital life is less than 2 years, 1 to 2 years. Then after post 2 years also they're not, if all being normal still not getting conceived, then we have to go for the next level of investigations, that is day 2 FSH and LH and baseline scan again in those patients to see how is the number of eggs and how is the quality. To certain extent we'll know with this blood test. And also very important parameter is AMH, that is if marital life is more than 2 years and age of the patient is more than 35 years, then we'll advise them AMH to know the reserve of them. Okay, so a stepwise investigations for each patient, each couple, where do they belong, like the less than 1 year or more than 1 year, or less than 35 years or more than 35 years, depending upon where do they stand, we can advise them the normal investigations. Okay, in any queries regarding how if the pregnancy is getting delayed or how to fasten the treatment, do visit us in 49 and take the expert opinion. Thank you.